Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to discharge a CRT. So as you can see, this TV's on. Turn it off. Kill the power. Make sure it's not plugged into anything. And you'll use a stick like this. It's a long stick I found. Handle off of something, and I took the cable and I trimmed it down and hooked it to an alligator clip on one end and stripped some wire away and wrapped it around the screwdriver like this. Now you should use electrical tape, but if the electric has a path, it's going to take that one more than it's going to go down this long pole. So you take your pole, take your clip, and you connect it to the spring. And then you take your stick carefully and you step away and you keep one hand back. I'm holding the phone, but keep one hand in your pocket. That's usually recommended. And then just slip the screwdriver under here slowly. And then push in until you touch the metal, and you'll hear that pop. Touch it a couple more times. The charge is gone. And you can now remove the cap. Sometimes they're a pain. And that's it. And that's what's inside. So now you can work on the monitor without getting electrocuted. That's it.